Hi, Sean. It's Miss Toth here. Your mom's been sending me your multiplication work, and I'm really, really proud of you. You're doing really big numbers. One thing I wanted to help you with was multiplication with zero. So anytime you see multiplication with zero, it just means there's nothing there. So, for example, if I am doing multiplication with zero, and if it's, oh, that's the one that's not working. I thought I threw that one out. If it's multiplication with 0 and it's 10 times 0, that means there's 10 groups with nothing in them at all. So if I'm counting up 10 groups of nothing, that means there's just nothing there. I know you understand that. I'm going to have to use this because I've lost my eraser. Now, if I am doing a number that looks like this, and it's, let's say, 13 times 10, there's a 0 there, but it's not 0. It's 10. So this is the number that we're multiplying by. So I can look at it as 13 groups, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 groups with 10 things in each group. And I'm just going to do groups of 5 really, really, really quick. And you can pause this later if you want to count to make sure you didn't make any mistakes. I'm going really, really fast because I don't want to waste your time. So I have got 13 groups with 10 things, 13 groups with 10 things in each group, just like this with my messy, fast writing, okay? So what you've been doing is right for the first part. You say 0 times 3 is 0, and then you say 0 times 1 is 0. You've been doing that at home. Okay. The next part, and actually, if you want to stop this video and try to solve this right now, pause it, solve it right now, and then come back. And we'll talk about what yours looks like and what mine looks like. Pause me. Okay, now we're back. And we've done 0 times 3 is 0 because I've got nothing in my group. 0 times 1 is 0. I've got nothing in my group. Then we're going to move to the next place value. In order to do that, I've got to drop that 0 down. You know how to do that. In your math that you've been showing me is that you're just writing zeros down here again, and that's not what you're supposed to be doing. So pay attention, okay? Now I move over to this group here, and I go 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times 1 is 1. And then that's when I add it up. And so your answer should be 130. And I'm sorry, my work is really messy. So we're going to try this one more time. I'm going to do a different one, okay? And so when my drawing actually did show 130 as well. So I hope you got 130 on your answer. And if you didn't, you're going to go back. You're going to try it again. I'm going to do one more. So 0 is always 0 unless there's another place value next to it. So let's do another one right here. I'm going to do, let's do a bigger number. Let's say 20, and I'm not going to draw the picture for this. 20 times, well, let's do 120 because I know you can do big numbers. 120 times, let's say 30. So now we've got 2 zeros here. So pause me, solve the math problem, and then we'll go back and walk through it again, okay? So pause me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're back again. Okay, so hopefully you've done that math problem. 0 times 0 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Now I move to the next place value, and I'm going to drop that down. I drop my 0 down. 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. And this is then where we add it all up. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 6 is 6, and 3 there. So there's your answer right there. Do we understand what we just did? Okay. So I want you, when you're doing your big multiplication problems with Mom at home, make sure that you're paying attention to where those zeros are and what those zeros mean and what they look like. I hope that helped a little bit. I'm going to try to find you some easier math problems with 0 in it just to help you out. But Mom can probably find some online for you too. I miss you, Ishan. I hope that helped you a little bit, and maybe Mom can send me an email if you need any more help. Okay? Mwah. Bye.